Alright, here is a 12-inch Lasko table fan. This came from the same place as that coup horn did. And it's got some issues. One thing is that we're sort of working on the oscillator, so it's been taken, the back housing has been taken off for the video. It's been oiled and stuff, and it's actually pretty good. It's just needs some work. So here's low. And I don't think it's gonna start. I don't think this is gonna work today. So here's low. Here's medium. And here's high. Now we'll see if it'll oscillate. Yeah, and I'm aware of the badge being missing. It was missing when we got it. And I'll go ahead and show you the Kenmore that is in here. I bought 3 of these and I gave one to him. And I have the other 2. I'll go ahead and just show it quickly. Here's low. It's nothing special. And those are 2 table fans. So there you have it. Thank you for watching.